At Steelhaus, we know that true strength is built on endurance and reliability. Like this team of horses, our new Energetics division is driven by the same relentless spirit, pushing boundaries, exceeding expectations. Steelhaus intends to bring that same spirit to its new endeavor, Steelhaus Energetics. With world-class automated manufacturing, our Energetics division ensures precision, reliability, and a commitment to quality that sets us apart from the competition. Manufactured locally, we stand behind every product with the promise of excellence and support right here at home. With massive storage and loading capacity in both US and Canada, we're equipped to meet the demands of your operations, no matter the scale. Our phased and self-oriented guns provide you with the flexibility to achieve unparalleled downhole performance. Reduce field issues with our innovative top sub and plug and shoot adapter designed to save time and eliminate hassles. And with our fast BHA makeup and user-friendly deto module system, you'll get your tools set up and ready to go, faster and safer than ever before. Steelhaus Energetics, committed to pushing the boundaries of completions technology so you can push the boundaries of what's possible in the field.